All right, so how are we today? Good morning, accelerators.
Good morning, sir.
So today's topic is networking during pandemic. How many of you think networking is possible and not possible, but it's much more than possible? It has made it easy. It has expanded our boundaries. Networking has become boundaryless. How many of you agree with that statement?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raise your hands, everyone. Thank you very much. So on 23rd March, when lockdown was announced, that night, lots of businesses were destroyed, including ours. We had mega orders, as Mr. Jain is here, he does the labeling part of it. We had massive orders in the month of March, and we paid advances to bottles, and bottle rate had gone, though talks were going on for last 1 or 2 weeks that there's pandemic, ever since WHO announced around 15th of June. So the bottles rates increased and everybody was demanding advance and everything. We were launching Tajurba Elite at Grand, and the advance was paid to them. And my course on the stage was about to begin. That also, so everything came to pause, and my all coaching clients who pay me every month, they said, sir, we want to take a pause and we are in a survival mode. And Tajurba was totally based on offline meetings. We used to meet over breakfast at Crown Plaza, your chapter and other chapters in different hotels. High tea, breakfast, so everything looked like that day dark and come crashing down. That what will happen? How are we going to meet? Whether we're going to meet or not, new members are going to come in or not, we are going to expand our network or not. Are we going to stay like this for a year or 2 years? We don't know. So total insecurity. Now, at that moment of time, everyone gives a different meaning to the situation. Was same around the world for 7.5 billion people in the world, but the situation for everyone was different. And everybody's reality was right. And everybody's got own reality. Some people thought businesses got destroyed, they got depressed. Some people thought that sitting at home, they started drinking, they started eating, putting on weight. And they started fighting with the family, there's too much of closeness. And some people started cherishing that we got so much time that we never got in so many years, started having fun with the family, spending quality time with the family, having great homemade food, worked on their health. Change the course of business, diversified like Kawaljit sitting here, immediately from travel business is the worst hit in this pandemic, immediately diversified and opened up another line of business for him. Now when the travel comes, he'll have 2 lines of business.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
And for us also, I worked on my health, as you have seen in the photograph in the opening slide. I'm around 23 kilo lighter than that in last 100 days. And I've reversed my diabetes, and my blood reports are better than when I did it first time from Lal Path Lab at the age of 30. And network is expanded. We're launching 38 cities virtual chapters. Target revised to 1 crore. I've trained around 500 people from different cities. I'm not going to go back to the stage. It's so much fun sitting at my basement office training 500 people. For a speech of half an hour, we had to travel to Amritsar in February. And last week, I did a speech for Dubai audience without traveling, 130 people. So networking is open boundaries for us. It's a great opportunity to connect with people we have lost touch because of distance, that people are in different cities, different countries. Now I'm doing one-to-ones and opportunities from people sitting in Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand. No need to travel anymore. Today itself, all of you are saving around 1,000, 1,200 rupees, whatever the breakfast rate was at Crown Plaza. The saving of money, I used to come from Gurgaon, so start at 6:30 and reach there 7:30, 1 hour drive early morning and coming back 2 hours. Petrol costs. I especially bought, 40 lakh rupees car for these meetings, which was saving petrol. Camry hybrid is standing outside my house for last 3 months. Spending money on cleaning only and, putting the air in it, nothing else. Things have changed. and change in a better way. More opportunities, more business for everyone else. Tajurba meetings moved online, and people are realizing that networking is all the more important in pandemic. We become one team, one dream. We need more support, more family this time, because we are all sailing in the same boat. Earlier, your problem was your problem, my problems were my problem. Now everybody's problem is same. The world has become a great team. We are out there to support each other. Other day, Kumar Saurabh dad, our ex-president and mentor of the chapter, his father was in very serious condition. Smita called me. And next 5 minutes, there were around, 40 people called and 4 people in 5 minutes arranged the bed at JP Hospital. That's the supporting system I'm talking about. It's not only about business. There's a guy, Ravinder Sharma, member, ex-president of Phoenix Faridabad. He is a wedding photographer. His business also closed down. No weddings happening, no gatherings. And very high ticket. His charge was like 3 to 5 lakh rupees starting. He's done wedding shoot in December for one of our family wedding in Lucknow. Great team. He had sent around 10 photographer. Equipment was 50 lakh rupees. And he couldn't sleep for 15 days, but then he changed his mindset. He said, we as entrepreneurs have to find solution to the things. And he leveraged his Tajurba network and got connects in government sector and got e-learning project worth over 1 crore rupees. And his secretary treasurer, Avinash Sharma, he was doing content writing for 1 rupee a word. And she has a job also. He teamed up with her and she started writing a script for the government e-learning project, and she became the anchor and they started shooting the videos, and now another sector opened. He leveraged his network, got in touch with the e-commerce companies for product photography. He got in touch with a lot of corporate videos. So his business is doubled during pandemic, where it was shut down in the first 15 days. My income is doubled in last 2 months. What meaning we give to our situation, as I always say, wear awesomeness glasses. When you wear awesomeness glasses, you start looking the world through your awesomeness glasses. The world becomes awesome for you. You attract awesome network, awesome business opportunities, awesome relationships. Your life becomes awesome. So, use, as Smita teaches LinkedIn, use LinkedIn well. More clients are coming across the world to me from LinkedIn. And make it personal. I've got a lot of copy-pasted messages. I mean, it's okay to copy-paste the message and, send. But at least write the name. That becomes personal. Dear Sureshji, hope you are doing well. Family is fine. Let's catch up sometime over coffee over the Zoom. Do coffee meeting. We did a social. How many of you attended social on Zoom? We were dancing, we were singing. The children were telling poetries. The fathers and grandfathers were singing from the member side. Whole families were there. What a kya nazara tha. We could never imagine that we can party at Zoom. Think positive and the world become positive. And talk to strangers today. Expand network. Every meeting we should have 20, 30 new guests. Guests bring so much of energy. No cost to anybody. And both ways, they get business from here, we get business from them, and if they like, they join our network expense. Everyone should be sending, what's going, I got 14,000 people in my, every one of us should be sending 100 invites. Whoever will think networking is important for them, they'll come. And another thing about networking, I feel very, very sad for the people on the lack of understanding of networking and knowledge. That they think that we join network for a year and if it works, it's fine. If it doesn't work, we'll, leave it. Now, my question to those kind of mindsets are, and if you come in contact with those kind of people, I know you don't have that kind of mindset. But if you come in contact with those kind of people, ask them one question. Do you get married thinking that if it will work 1 year is fine, otherwise we'll get divorced? वो डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग ही नहीं होएगा कवलजीत लोग ऐसा सोचेंगे पहले कोर्ट में आदमी शादी करेगा चलेगी तो ठीक है नहीं तो चलो डिवोर्स ले लेंगे Do you start business thinking that 1 year it will work, otherwise I'll go back to job? I've seen a lot of people suffering. One of my friends started business leaving Pricewaterhouse job and nothing happened. 1 year the business, we all know we are entrepreneur. 1 year nothing happens. You may lose money in first year. And next year when you go back to job, your juniors become your boss. If you get it. It doesn't work. Shamaji is sitting here. Shamaji, does LIC happen in 1 year?
No, sir, never.
Do they return the money in 1 year, 2 year if you discontinue?
No. It's take long term.
Long term. You know, you're saving. Shamaji does mutual funds also. If you start saving, you don't get any return first year. It may go in minus.
Yes.
But if you stay there 20 years, you save crores of rupees. You can plan your entire retirement, your children wedding, your children education, everything. That's possible. You spend time in that. You need to expand your network. It can't be inch deep and mile wide that I know a lot of people, but I don't know a lot of people. There has to be relationship from here, deep relationship. And grow the community. You know, growing Tajurba, 1 crore people, you will see the magic. Next month onwards, you will see what magic happens. And last night till 12 o'clock, Shailendra Chaurasia, Arun Mishra and me were on Zoom, discussing about the nitty-gritties of the app and how do we bring people from the, all over India on the app. All your services you can get across India, clients, without moving. See people profile, you can send them messages. If they need your services, you will get in a flash of the second in your inbox. But my services are required in Bangalore, Chennai, Palakkad. You know, the places people are coming from. I haven't heard of those places ever. I have to go back, look at the Indian map, what is the population, what kind of industry is there. It's very, very magical. And I've listed 108 cities, 1 crore members. And at these kind of businesses get around 50 times valuations. You can imagine the kind of wealth you can create from Tajurba shares as you become the owner. People who leave, or people who have no faith in network, I'm telling you, those people are going to repent that, whoa, what an opportunity we missed in 2020 and 2021. Because the people who stay as part of the team, they are going to be benefited. Not who jump on when the opportunity comes. Definitely not. Or the people who stay longer, they become part of the family, they will be benefited more. So I'll end with this last very, very strong statement. How you treat your network during pandemic, how you treat your network during pandemic, whether you will have network or not, it will decide now, after the pandemic. Either you will be alone, lonely, depressed, or you will have a larger and great network than ever before. And my message to you today is that we have appointed 8 regional directors and executive directors, and we are appointing national directors also, so that Tajurba can expand to 1 crore, 10 crore, 5 crore, whichever boundaryless limits it can go to. It's the time to grow. So I'll not be able to attend many meetings, but I will be available to you through my training, through offline chat after dinners like we did last month. So those will happen more, we'll connect more deeply, but the formal meeting will be conducted by your leadership team with you and your RDs. All right, so have a fantastic fortnight, a great day, and awesome networking. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.